Hey, this is Lucinda Cross. I'm here with the Activate Conference Countdown. We have 29 days left. And my message for you today, for the attendees, for those who are showing up and showing out on September 20th, is I congratulate you because a lot of people are making excuses. And this is what you'll hear. This is how a lot of people start to self sabotage themselves because of fear of success or fear of failure. And one thing I want you to understand is success, well, your success is not seasonal. My success is not seasonal. And so here's some of the things that you'll hear, which I've heard. September is a busy month. A lot of people are enrolling in school. I'm getting the kids ready for school, so I'm not able to attend. You're not able to attend one day on a Friday for a couple of hours to get what you need. Okay. Or say you did something in November. Oh, I'm not able to make it, or I'm not able to do it because of Thanksgiving or the holidays. Oh, I'm not able to make it because it's Christmas. Now we're in December, or Kwanzaa. Oh, let's talk about it after the new year. I'm just gearing into and getting ready for the new year. So let's talk about it in January, late in January. Oh, what about February? That's a lot of things going on. I'm not going to be able to do it in February. Oh, March is Women's Month. I'm not going to be able to make it because there's a lot of things going on in Women's Month. Oh, it's April, so the kids are getting ready to come back out of school, and I'm preparing for summer. Now we're into May. It's Mother's Day. Now we're into June. Okay, so this is how we have to make a decision today. Let me help you because this has helped me. Either we conform to the world or we transform our own world by owning our world. And that means that you call the shots in this, because if your success is not seasonal, then stop making up excuses based on the seasons and the holidays. My success doesn't operate on holidays. My success is ongoing because it can hit at any moment. Any opportunity can come at any time, right? And so in order for us to stop blocking our blessings and open up ourselves to receive, let's stop these old beliefs that we can't do things because the holidays are coming up, because the summer is rolling around, because New Year's is beginning. When are you going to stop? Because here's the thing, and this is real, real, real. Somebody had just had the marshals knock on their door to give them a 3-day notice. But then somebody just signed the contract for their $1 million home. Somebody just looked at their bank account and their card was declined, so they're not able to get food and food shop for their kids for the weekend. But somebody just hired a cook and a chef to cook their meals. Someone is now homeless, and someone is now just opened up a door to a new property. Someone is waiting for the bus, and someone is turning the key or just received the loan approval notice from the bank. So we can either be on either side of the fence. And I've been on both sides, right? I've been on both sides of the fence. And the difference was my beliefs. What did I believe for myself? Did I believe that this is not a turnkey situation? Did I believe that I was being punished? Did I believe that I did something wrong because the marshals knocked on my door or my lights were turned off? No, my beliefs was that the fact that I believed that success was not an option for me. But it is. It's an option for you when you stop making excuses. When you stop telling yourself that you're not able to do something because of what's going on the world. The world doesn't operate and control your success. You should be a magnet for success, to where the world has no choice but to give you everything that you desire, require, and need. Why? Because you know that your success is not seasonal. It is a lifestyle. This is a lifestyle. I'm living a lifestyle for success. Whether that means living under a bridge with a tin can of tuna and being happy, or whether living in a mansion and feeling good about life and looking at the fruits of my labor. Either side. I'm not saying one is better than the other, but you figure out which side of the fence that you want to be on. So, I hope to see you at the conference, because we are going to have a funky good time, right? We are going to have a good time. I believe in just having some fun, getting great content, taking our ideas and blowing them up. This is a place we are going to have a mix of people, newbies, new authors, people who are interested in writing books, people who have been in business for over 20 years, people who've just started their business. So this is a learning location, a learning space for everybody so that we can upgrade our platforms. And we're learning from some of the best, some of the absolute best. Now, I know you know Les Brown. Now, what about Nikki Woods? I mean, somebody who is the senior producer of the Tom Joyner Morning Show. She has a lot and a wealth of information to share. You know, so we have a great lineup. You check it out for yourself. Head on over to www.activateconference.com. That's if it's the right time for you. I mean, I'm just saying, that's if this is the right time. I don't want to interrupt your regularly scheduled program, but sometimes we do need that interruption, and that's what I'm here to bring, is the interruption in your program, because we need to really wake up. I had to do it because I was self-sabotaging myself. Don't do it to yourself. Activate, activate, activate. I'll see you in September. 29 days and counting. We're almost there. We're almost there. Bye.